Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to our today's vlog. Customer told me sometime it is not working, sometime working, sometime not switching on, sometime switching on but no display, and sometime even display comes and working good, but when we turn it off again it will not power on or no display sometime. This is the problem. Now we will see if it is giving the display or not. As you can see right now, this is not giving the screen display. This is turned off now. Let's try again. Switching on good. Switching sorry, the caps lock have no light, yani keyboard is not active, so it means motherboard is not making the display. You can see the system is on but caps lock is not active. So right now this is not giving the display. Now remove adapter, switch it off. So right now as we see there is no display, so let's open it and check the motherboard where is the problem. We will see the components, all the components we will see. So let's check guys. So guys, as you can see, now it's not switching on. This is the problem. Customer told me. Sometime switching on, sometime not switching on, and sometime no display.